Sometimes I just do not want
to cough.
You were in the road.
Just don't forget to laugh every day.
Good
morning.
Wonder how many times we've said that on the vlog.
How many times we've said good morning?
Yeah.
Well, we've been doing it for like how many months? A year and 8 months or something?
Wow.
Or 10 months.
I'm feeling super, what's the word, worn out and kind of shaky. I finished my workout video, which was 30 minutes today, and it wasn't like a relaxing 30 minutes, it was like really hard. So I had to stop. I probably stopped like 5 times, check my heart rate and oxygen, and like just like breathe, since that wasn't happening. So I still think it was good for me, it was just really hard. So now I'm like and my appetite's been really weird and just not in the mood for stuff. But I was watching YouTube and somebody went to Five Guys. Thanks a lot, Vlogging Murrays. And so now I'm on my way to Five Guys.
Which is a good thing, because all day I've been like, do you want some chili? Do you want some chicken? What do you want to eat? And so, Five Guys it is.
It sounds salty, warm, squishy, good. Good. Well, hey guys.
That Five Guys was good. Did you like it, baby?
So good. I wasn't able to eat a ton, but I ate what I could and I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And we still have fries left over, of course.
Nice.
Oh man.
Tired out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys were around last summer, but the family we live with has a pool, and it is starting the process of opening, and so in a few days hopefully it'll be ready for swimming. And Oliver loves to swim, so.
In fact, I was sweeping the pool today, like getting the dirt off the bottom, and Oliver wanted to get in. He put his feet on the steps. I was like, it's not clean yet.
Not yet. Yeah, so. So, I've been thinking through like some organizational stuff, and I saw this idea on Pinterest, or actually I think Catherine from Do It On a Dime actually did this. And then I looked it up on Pinterest to look at like pictures or whatever. So look at this idea where you take a storage container, oops, I pushed on it. You take a storage container, like a box or something, and then you cut off the spines of books and glue them to the front so it always looks nice. No matter what you have in the container, you just put it on the bookshelf like that. So on Free Craigslist, there's a set of encyclopedias, and so we could use it, it's free, so we could use the spines and make our little project. What do you think?
I think that's a cool idea.
He liked the idea, and I'm so glad. I started coughing and it made me think. It's feeling like in the late afternoon, evening. I think the pressure throughout the day of either my sinuses or the coughing or whatever is giving me kind of a borderline headache. And then I feel it when I start coughing again. So, symptom report 2016. Okay, I just signed that print to send to somebody who just ordered it. It reminded me how yesterday when I was signing prints, I was signing them and dating them 2012. My bad. But I signed 2 of them like that, but I remembered that is not the correct year, and I erased it and changed it. So if you get your print and it looks like it's 2012, like erased in 2016, that was my bad. Have I ever mentioned how thankful I am for Peter? Amongst all of the physical helpful things like boiling my nebulizers for me or moving my vest if I want to move the vest from one room to the other, he's obviously amazingly helpful at all of that. But I am finishing writing a blog post and for my friend's blog. And I'm just like kind of stuck, and he's just reading it and helping me go in the direction I want to go. So I'm very thankful. Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Thanks, babe.
Mm-hmm.
I just have to document this moment.
What's the moment?
Well, it's deep thoughts with Peter as he's sitting in the IKEA chair.
Yep.
With the khakis he's been wearing and the blue shirt while you swept the pool today,
Yeah.
eating popcorn off of a Christmas plate.
Well, what's wrong with that? I don't know what's so,
With
like,
a...
what's worth documenting about this moment.
I guess it's just the funniness of life.
This IKEA chair really takes me back to Scotland.
Yeah,
we got one when we went to Scotland, and I just spent a lot of hours in that chair working on my dissertation and thinking about life,
And
and it was at this angle too in our flat.
you're right, it was.
So
I think also the fact that we have those 3 lamps over there that aren't even plugged in. Okay, I did a little clipping of Ollie's nails and trimming around his eyes. And then we did something I've been wanting to do since Easter. We had an Easter egg hunt. A few years ago, Peter and I gave him an Easter egg hunt outside, and we put little bones in the eggs, and he went around and got them and put them in the basket. And then eventually he was like, oh, I can open these myself, just get the bone out. So then he would pick it up, kind of go, and the Easter egg would crack open, and he'd put it down and eat the bone out. So I've been wanting to do that, and I finally did it just now. I hid eggs all around, and it was fun. It was fun. Those sorts of things are fun for me. Well, number one, I just have fun watching Oliver because he's just funny and cute. But it's also a good game for him because he's on a mission to find the eggs, and then he has to figure out how to open it and get the treat out. And I was having him put them in the basket as well. So it's like a game, but it's like good practice for getting things and problem solving and that sort of thing. And always working together is a good activity. And now he's just laying on his bed. And I guess it sounds like the decal machine is going. So I guess we're going to be working on some store stuff. His eyeball.
time out.
Sometimes I just do not want
to cough. Yeah, I can't imagine. But you cough pretty good. I must say,
it's my job.
You're a pretty cute cougher.
I don't feel cute coughing, but thank you.
You're
All
welcome.
right, guys.
All right.
We're going to bed.
Thanks for coming along on our day. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the Frey life. And as always, we will see you tomorrow. Good night. And a couple days ago, I told you guys I was working on building something. I built a backdrop and we made a photo booth. So we're doing a photo booth from the iPad.